Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to get your 6-digit authentication code on Discord. Hello everyone, so here's a quick guide on how to get your 6-digit authentication code on your Discord. So first of all, you want to go to the user section or settings. After that, you want to make sure you've enabled your two-factor authentication, which is found to the user settings. Under that, you will see My Account. You want to scroll in a bit, and Authenticator app, you want to enable it. So, um, after that is you want to link in your Google Authenticator or the Authy, just like seen right here. You want to install those for your phone or tablet. So once linked, every time you log in, you want to open your Authenticator app, and then you'll see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter this into Discord to verify. If you set up SMS backup codes, you can also receive the 6-digit code via text or SMS in case you lose access to your app or phone. Use the backup recovery codes, Discords, provided when you first enabled your two-factor authentication. This ensures that you can always log back in securely. And that is all on how to get your 6-digit authentication code on your Discord.